Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a question that could redefine the future of technology. What if the device replacing your smartphone is already here? Meta's Orion smart glasses promise to do just that, putting augmented reality right in front of your eyes. In this video, we'll explore how these glasses could change everything, the groundbreaking tech behind them, and whether they'll truly live up to the hype. Stick around, because this might just be the next revolution in mobile computing. The rise of AI smart glasses aren't exactly new. For years, major tech companies have tried to crack the code, with mixed results. Back in 2013, Google Glass was one of the first attempts to bring AR to everyday consumers, but it stumbled due to privacy concerns and a clunky, awkward design. Later came Microsoft's HoloLens, more advanced, but geared toward enterprises and still far too bulky for everyday wear. Magic Leap also promised big things, but never quite lived up to expectations. Fast forward to today, and Meta has unveiled Orion, its bold attempt to bring AR glasses to the masses. Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, has been investing in augmented and virtual reality for over a decade. And with Orion, they're aiming to create their most advanced AR device yet, one that could eventually replace your smartphone. Design. Sleek but not perfect. One of the biggest hurdles for smart glasses has always been design. No one wants to wear bulky headsets that make them look like they stepped out of a sci-fi movie. Orion aims to solve this. Weighing under 100 grams, it's significantly lighter than competitors like Magic Leap's glasses, which weigh more than 250 grams. Meta wants Orion to look and feel like regular eyewear you could comfortably wear all day. But while the design is impressive, it's not without compromises. The glasses rely on three main components: the frames themselves, an external computing unit that fits into your pocket, and an M wristband that reads muscle movements for input. This keeps the glasses lightweight, but at the cost of convenience. And while they're sleeker than past devices, the frames are still thicker than normal glasses, reminding you this is advanced tech you're wearing. Input and interaction. What really makes Orion stand out is how you interact with it. The glasses feature a holographic display with a wide 70-degree field of view, much larger than most AR devices today. This makes digital overlays feel immersive, blending seamlessly with the real world. As for input, Orion combines voice commands, eye tracking, and gestures. The M wristband picks up even the tiniest muscle movements in your wrist, so simple gestures like pinching or swiping can control the AR interface. Need to select a menu item? Just pinch your fingers. Want to scroll? A subtle swipe does the job. Voice commands also play a huge role. With Meta AI built in, you can ask the glasses to search the web, play music, or start a video call, all hands-free. Could Orion replace smartphones? Meta is pitching Orion as a potential smartphone replacement. But is that really realistic? Think about what your phone does: calls, messages, navigation, photos, entertainment, social media. It's all in one device. In theory, Orion could handle all of that. Imagine seeing navigation directions overlaid right onto the street as you walk, or attending a video call without ever pulling out a device. Notifications, browsing, even media consumption could all happen directly in your field of vision. But there are challenges. Battery life is still a major limitation for AR devices. Most only last a few hours on a charge, and Orion is unlikely to be different. And then there's cost. With Apple's Vision Pro priced at $3,499, many expect Orion to come with a hefty price tag as well. So while Orion could replace smartphones one day, it won't happen overnight. The power of Meta AI. Perhaps the most exciting part of Orion is its deep integration with Meta AI. These glasses don't just display information, they understand your environment. They can identify objects, give real-time directions, or even suggest recipes based on what's in your fridge. This contextual awareness transforms the glasses from a simple display into an intelligent assistant that actively engages with the world around you. Challenges and privacy concerns, of course. With great innovation comes great responsibility. Meta has faced its share of privacy controversies, and glasses that are constantly aware of your surroundings will raise big concerns about data collection and surveillance. Meta says privacy will be a priority with Orion, but whether consumers trust that promise remains to be seen. Competition. Apple, Google, and more. Meta isn't alone in this race. Apple's Vision Pro takes a more premium, immersive approach, powerful, but heavy and expensive, and less suited for everyday wear. Google is rumored to be revisiting AR glasses after the failure of Google Glass. And companies like Microsoft and Magic Leap continue to focus on enterprise markets. Where Meta could win is by bridging the gap, offering everyday wearability and a vast ecosystem of billions of users on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Hands-free social media and integrated messaging could give Orion a unique edge. When will Orion launch? Right now, Orion is still in prototype stages. Meta employees and select partners are testing it, but it may not reach consumers until around 2027. Mark Zuckerberg has said they want the product to be polished before releasing it. Until then, Meta will keep refining key challenges like display quality, battery life, and comfort. The future of smart glass. Meta's Orion glasses represent a bold step toward the future of computing. With sleek design, powerful features, and AI integration, they could one day replace the smartphone as our go-to device. But hurdles remain: high cost, limited battery life, and privacy concerns all stand in the way. Still, the potential is enormous. Whether for entertainment, education, healthcare, or everyday use, AR glasses could transform how we interact with technology. The future of computing may not sit in our hands anymore. It could be resting right in front of our eyes. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, let us know in the comments. Do you think AR glasses like Orion could really replace smartphones? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the future of tech, and check out the recommended video on screen right now for more fascinating insights into AI and technology.